Hi, my name is Shadi Pezeshki here at Energic Family, where our mission is to compassionately teach how to live in a healthier body and environment. Our intention is to create time and financial freedom. We simply are here to serve humanity, save the planet, and enjoy ourselves in a very fun community. So I am an independent distributor for the company named Enagic, Energy Plus Magic, that gives the technology to the humanity that brings this water named Kangen water, return to origin in Japanese. And the slogan for this company is change your water, change your life. That is exactly what happened to me. 6 years ago, my father was diagnosed with kidney failure, and his nephrologist prescribed this amazing technology of water, and he called it best gift of life for him and for his immune system. Now 6 years later, I'm bringing this amazing gift to you, and hopefully you will understand why this was a gift to us, and it will make a difference in your life too. So why are we talking about water? Our bodies are made up of over 75% water. So it only makes sense that the better quality of water we drink, the better the quality of our health. Kangen in Japanese means to return back to your origin. Why is it called that? Because Kangen water has very specific, unique properties that are able to put your body in a state that your body is able to heal itself. These properties are antioxidants, alkalinity, and fast absorption. I'm going to show you how this water can benefit your body and your household. People always ask me, is there a way to stop aging? Now, there is no way to stop it, but there are definitely ways to slow it down. Oxidation is a process of aging. Just like when we cut an apple, banana, and avocado starts to turn brown after some time, the same thing is happening inside of our bodies from the air we breathe, food that we are eating, beverages we are drinking, and stress that we are putting on ourselves. The way to slow this process down is to increase our antioxidants. Here is a chart of where these beverages fall on the oxidation level. Anything on the positive side is aging your body faster, and anything on the negative side will be slowing down that aging process. Soda, energy drinks, and bottled waters are all very oxidating to your bodies and make us age much more quickly. This is an ORP meter. When the meter displays a positive number, it's oxidative to your body, which means it's aging you. Kangen water goes through a process of electrolysis in which more antioxidants are available in your water and help detox your body at a cellular level. When shows a negative number, it means it's reducing your aging by antioxidants. The medical advisor of our company, Dr. Filtzer, cardiovascular surgeon from Harvard University, allowed us to say that you cannot eat or drink enough fruits and vegetables in a day to get the amount of antioxidant as one glass of Kangen water. There is this Dr. Otto Warburg that won Nobel Prize twice. His discovery was that disease live in acidic body, oxygen-deprived tissues, and disease cannot live in an alkaline body. How do we make our body alkaline? It all depends on what we are putting in our body. If we are drinking all the sodas and waters that are acidic, our environment for our body will be acidic. And how we can return it into the neutral state, which is the pH of 7.36, is by drinking alkalized water, Kangen water, and bringing your body into the environment that your body will thrive. So, and gets rid of all the acidity and inflammation. So I'm going to be showing you the pH of all of these beverages with a pH indicator. If it's turning yellow or orange, it's acidic, and if it's turning blue or purple, it's alkaline. So what I want to show you now is that the alkaline water from the supermarket, which has been sitting in the plastic and did not have antioxidant, if I blow in it and it gets mixed with the CO2 of my breath, it will change immediately because the acid hasn't been separated and releasing the water. So I want you to take a look at this. It turned to acidic within 10 seconds. The minerals that have been added to the water made it alkaline, but this minerals and the baking soda that they actually added to the water is very damaging to our body. But this doesn't happen when you are blowing in Kangen water, because through ionization the acid and alkaline has been separated. It doesn't change. So what happens is when we start drinking the alkalized water, Kangen water, the body starts to transform itself. Now I'm going to show you, if your body is in any of these states, how your body will be transformed by changing your water. So I want to show you something really incredible that blew my mind away. When your body is in acidic environment, when you start drinking Kangen water, your body starts to change itself. As you can see, your body's environment changes. But Perrier or Pellegrina, any kind of these bubbly waters, they won't change. They try to, but they won't, because they're so acidic. You need to drink 12 glasses of Kangen water in order to neutralize one Perrier in your body. With energy drink, it doesn't even blink, because you need to drink 31 glasses of Kangen water in order to neutralize one soda or one energy drink. The third property of Kangen water is that it provides superior hydration through the process of ionization again. The molecules of water are super small and are able to penetrate through our cells much more quickly. Normally, when you drink a lot of water, you feel it sitting in your stomach or feel bloated and can't drink enough water to properly hydrate your body and your brain. With Kangen water, in the first 30 seconds, the water absorbs into your system and provides optimal hydration. We are going to show this test with an organic green tea bag that is not covered in wax to symbolize our body's cells and tissues. Normally, to make tea, we must boil the water so the molecules get smaller. With room temperature water, we cannot make tea. But with this one, we will. So if you take vitamins, just imagine this is one of your supplements that you're taking. If you take it with regular water, bottled water, tap water, filtered water, this much of your vitamins will be absorbed into your system. But if you do it with Kangen water, the vitamins will be absorbing into your system 100%, and you actually will feel the benefit of your vitamins in your body. This amazing technology provides different type of water, as I explained before. One pH comes out of this machine is the pH of 11.5. 11.5 is very, very alkaline. So it represents the way the Kangen water pH of 9.5, what it does on the body. The 11.5 removes pesticide from fruits and vegetables, clean greasy pots and pans, and you can use it as laundry detergent. That's why we always say this machine brings a lot of saving for your household. So I'm going to show you what we have on our fruit and vegetables. Is usually a wax. It's shiny wax that you cannot get rid of it. Some people use salt, some people use vinegar, but nothing can get rid of all these herbicide and pesticide, and I call them suicide, except this 11.5 of water, and washes everything thoroughly. So with our nuts, they always have preservatives on them. When we wash them with regular water, tap water, any type of water, you cannot get rid of all those preservatives, but 11.5 pH can get rid of it. And also, I'm going to show you how this oil, which is sesame oil, When you mix it with water, as we all know in chemistry class, oil and water don't mix. But when we use 11.5, look how it emulsifies the oil and gets rid of the cluster of the oil. So what happens is, we know when we drink Kangen water, this happens in our artery, in our body, and that's why it's great for weight management. And when people start drinking the water, they feel so much better and the body start to work better. When you wash your walnut with regular water, basically nothing comes out of it. But when you wash it with 11.5 pH of Kangen water, we call it strong Kangen, look what comes out of it. These are all preservatives that are damaging to our body, to our brain, to our kidneys, everywhere inside of our body that we do not want to have. It's the same thing with our fruit and vegetables. We have wax on our fruit and vegetables that we don't realize how damaging they are in our body. When we wash it with regular water, nothing shows. But when we are washing with strong Kangen water, this comes out of our fruit and vegetables that is, again, damaging to our body. At the same time, when this machine is producing 11.5 pH, another pH that is very valuable in our household comes out of the unit, which is the pH of 2.5. In hospitals in Japan, they use it as bed sores, release and psoriasis, eczema. It suffocates the bacteria and it's safe on our body. There is no chemical, but it actually works immediately on any kind of fungus. In our household, we use it as Clorox. It's 10 times stronger than Clorox. It's a powerful disinfectant and gets rid of all the germs and bacteria, and hand sanitizer, which is really valuable. And of course, as a mouthwash. So it helps our gums to be better, and as we get older, they recede, and sometimes we have bleedy gums, but this pH absolutely gets rid of it and helps it heal itself. So in our household, if we have any sore throat, we gargle this water and immediately it gets rid of it. With one investment in your Kangen water machine, that is the best technology of water, you and your family will be able to drink the best quality of water for your health, get rid of all the toxic chemicals from your household, and save money from not having to buy any of these products ever again. Also, we must all do our part to reduce the amount of plastic in the environment and help our ecosystem and leave our planet a better place for our children and grandchildren. Thank you for watching this presentation. I hope you enjoyed it. For more information or how to get your Kangen water machine, please contact the person who sent you this link.